Hey DIY lovers and makers of all kinds. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tools that take your skills and efficiency to the next level. Today's video is packed with clever tools, powerful cutters, and precision devices that will completely change how you approach your next project. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Hot Wire Cutter. This isn't your average foam cutter. It's a thermal knife designed for serious DIY and industrial use. With a 600 degrees Celsius max blade temperature and a built-in air cooling system, it offers continuous use without overheating. You can easily cut through materials like EPS, XPS, KT board, sponge, polyurethane, and more with smooth, clean lines. The adjustable power settings with 16 precise levels let you tailor the heat for different materials, while the 3-meter power line gives you freedom to move. It's lightweight at just 1.6 kilograms, making it portable yet powerful. Whether you're building insulation panels, carving art, or shaping packaging foam, this tool gets it done fast and neat. It's also super safe with a quick blade removal system for easy maintenance. Number 4, Knife Sharpener Tool. Sharpening just got a serious upgrade. This fixed-angle knife sharpener clamps right onto your kitchen sink and holds your knives or scissors at a perfect angle every single time. Built with stainless steel and aluminum alloy, it's waterproof, rust-proof, and extremely stable. It comes with multiple clamps, including a scissors clamp and kitchen knife clamp, making it ideal for a wide range of blades. The rotating clamp design allows quick switching between sharpening angles, and there's even an angle measuring tape for perfect precision. Whether you're a chef or just tired of dull tools, this sharpener gives you that razor-sharp edge with zero guesswork. Number 3, MiLESEEY Thermal Imager. Imagine seeing hidden leaks or electrical faults without tearing your walls apart. That's what the MiLESEEY TR256i Thermal Imager does. It's CE and FCC certified, which means it's both safe and accurate. With thermal vision, you can detect pipe leaks, hot spots in electrical panels, and insulation issues with pinpoint accuracy. This tool is a must-have for electricians, plumbers, and serious DIYers who want to prevent disaster before it happens. It gives you a real-time view of heat patterns, helping you troubleshoot like a pro and potentially save thousands on repairs. Number 2, Plate Cutter Tool. This electric drill plate cutter turns your regular drill into a high-performance sheet metal cutter. It can slice through 0.8mm metal plates with clean, accurate edges. The steel and iron body gives it excellent durability, while the sharp blade ensures smooth performance without jagged edges. With its positioning card slot, safety is top-notch. No risk of accidentally touching the blade. It features a push-to-install mechanism, making it fast and easy to attach. Plus, it's compatible with 12 to 21V lithium drills, making it a super versatile addition to your toolbox. Perfect for roofing, ventilation projects, or any job that needs precision sheet metal work. Number 1, Tile Leveling Tool. If you've ever laid tile, you know how frustrating it is to keep everything aligned. This tile leveling system is a total time saver. The kit comes with 10 reusable adjusters, which work perfectly for ceramic tiles between 8 to 12 millimeters thick, ensuring a 2mm seam for a clean and balanced look. It helps you avoid uneven tile surfaces and speeds up the installation process dramatically. With easy placement and removal, using a special wrench, this tool reduces stress and ensures professional level flatness for floors or walls. Whether you're remodeling your bathroom or doing a major renovation, this is one of those tools you'll wish you found sooner. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.